Bong Go has given this advice to Health Secretary Francisco Duque III.
Mahal ka ng Pangulo at pinaglalaban ka niya. Alam ko, mahal mo rin ang Pangulo. Desisyon mo na yan pagdating ng panahon. But my advice is make the supreme sacrifice. Alang-alang na lang sa mga kababayan.
Duque has promised to heed Go's make the supreme sacrifice advice, but only after he has cleared his name. As early as April 2020, there has been growing public clamor led by a majority of senators for Duque to resign. The resignation calls grew louder after the COA found deficiencies in the Department of Health's deployment of the 67 billion funds. But President Rodrigo Duterte has not only refused to fire Duque, the chief executive even defended the health secretary against his critics.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.